everyone, welcome to Sandra Sensations. Thanks for joining me. I've got myself a 12-inch round canvas ready to go here for, yes, you guessed it, I'm going to try another bloom. Now that I've taken the Sheleeart course, the bloom course I should say, that technique, I just can't get enough. I just got to keep trying. So if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. And you'll be able to see my fails and my triumphs. I can show you actually a couple of paintings that I did with no experience at all. I didn't do any of the courses and I was just messing around. So I'll give you a quick show and tell. This one is just a little trial. I had no idea what I was doing, but it's still a cute painting. This one is one of my flower styles that I like to do. It was pretty much a bloom fail, so I made it my own bloom. Then with this guy turned out really nice. I don't have Aussie Floetrol at the time, so it was completely just regular old Floetrol and paint. And again, no real course experience. Then we get to, I got my hands on some Aussie Floetrol from a wonderful friend that sent it to me. This is 100% Aussie Floetrol. And it's probably about my 6th or 7th attempt at doing the bloom, and I love it. It turned out beautiful. This one is 50% Aussie Floetrol and 50% regular US Floetrol. So it's very, very similar. If you want your Aussie Floetrol to go the distance, mix it 50-50. It'll still work. It's not quite as sharp as this one, I don't think, but it's all trial and error. I'm just going to keep practicing and see what happens. This is another one that I did just after the course. And it was one of my first blooms, actual blooms that I tried without having the proper ingredients, but it still turned out wonderful. All right, there's a little show and tell for you. Let me just put these aside. Okay, so what I have here is sangria, this little piggy pigments. It's this color here, mixed up with dioxazine purple from Liquitex. I mixed the two and it got me this beautiful purple color. I don't know if the camera's really going to pick it up well, but it's a gorgeous color. So that's that color there. Put these over here. Then we've got the Amsterdam's Quadacridome Rose Light. Got that one mixed up. It's this guy right here. And the Color Arts Primary Elements, this one is the Bells of Ireland. I got a little bit of green left over, so I'm going to put that in my painting, as well as the Little Piggies Lily Pad. That's this light green one here. And then we've got Butter Toffee, which is this guy right here. It's kind of a greenish gold, very sparkly. I don't know if you'll be able to see it or not, but it's gorgeous. So we're going to put that in with this Little Piggy's Shimmer, which is this guy right here. And it's pearlized, sparkly. Love the Little Piggy pigments. Okay, put these guys aside as well. And let's do a bloom. Now for all my regulars, thank you so much, you guys, for keep coming back, watching on this little journey of art with me. Thank you so much for all the thumbs up, all the comments. Really does mean the world to me, and I hope you keep them coming. And again, anybody new, please hit subscribe. You won't be sorry. It's always a fun time. Okay, Greg's gonna hit some music. I hope you enjoy. This will be a quick little painting. Thanks, everyone.
Is it alright if I stay today? Is it alright if I stay today? Take my time, far behind, leave my pride. Alright if we just stay today? Is it alright? 'Cause I wish we could just stay. Take our time far behind, leave our pride. Oh, is it alright if we stay? Is it alright if I decide but change my mind? Is that okay? Is it alright if I don't wanna feel obliged in any way? Is it alright if I waste my time and I lead myself to a mistake? When I roll on by, I won't ask why, I'll just accept and walk away.
Describe this magic in the air. The world has come alive, and when I see you, you make my pulse rise. I never knew that I could be so hypnotized. There's something in your touch, baby, the way your body's moving me, and I don't know where this soul will go. Oh, nobody knows. Oh, out of nowhere into my life, you walked in and you opened my eyes. Can't believe this could happen to me. Yeah, you came crashing in out of nowhere. Oh, this love is straight out of nowhere. Out of nowhere. Out of nowhere. I've never fallen in love so deep. I run, I trip, I fall, I just can't find my feet. If I don't try now, the chance will slip away. I'll bury all my doubts and I won't be afraid. There's something I could never see. Now my heart is open and I believe, and I don't know where this soul will go. Oh, nobody knows. Oh, out of nowhere and into my life, you walked in and you opened my eyes. Can't believe this could happen to me. Yeah, you came crashing in out of nowhere. Oh, this love is straight out of nowhere. Out of nowhere. Out of nowhere. There's something in your touch, baby, the way that your body's moving me, and I don't